Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will guide you on 3 ways to take a screenshot on a Windows PC. There are 3 ways to do screen shoot on Windows PC. I will explain one by one. First, you can do this by pressing Windows and print screen on your keyboard at the same time. Secondly, you can do screen shoot by pressing Windows, Shift and S on your keyboard. The screenshot options panel above will appear. You can adjust it according to your needs. We will try rectangular snip. You can highlight which objects you want to shoot. You are given the option also to draw or highlighter on the screen shoot object. The third, you can type snipping tool in the magnifying glass search bar and open snipping tool. This is almost similar to the previous rectangular snip. You have to highlight the part you want to screen shoot. That's all, 3 ways to take a screen shoot for Windows PC without additional software. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking. See you on the next one.